Hi guys, good morning. So this video we are going to discuss about arithmetic group instructions. Okay. So in this type of instructions we can performing the addition function and subtraction function and increment and decrement and how to performing the 16-bit addition, then how to adjust the decimal values. So these kind of instructions we can discuss about today's session. Okay. Let's start our instructions. These are the list of instructions comes under the arithmetic group instruction. The first one is add B. Okay. So this instruction performing the addition function, just adding the content from the two register between the two registers. Okay. So add represent the function and B is a one register. Okay. So the B register value is add with the default register accumulator. Okay. The addressing mode, register addressing mode, byte of instruction 1 byte. The equation of this function, A gives A plus B. Okay, so this plus is a addition function, just adding the two register content, A register and B register. Okay, just adding the two register content. So A register whole 02, B register whole 03. Okay, just adding the two content. The final result is 05H. So this value is passed to accumulator register. Okay, so after execution of this instruction, just adding the two content, A register value and B register value, the final result also stored in accumulator. So it's the first instruction. Second one, add M. Okay, so here performing the same addition function, but here represent the memory location. Okay, just getting the data from the memory location, that data is add with accumulator register. So type of addressing mode, register indirect. It's also 1 byte instruction. Okay, so the equation format is A plus H L. Okay, so M represent the HL pair register. So this HL pair register is hold the memory location. For example, this location 4300. So this location pointing one data 05H. So this 05H add with the accumulator value. Let us consider the accumulator value is 02H. Just adding the two content. Okay, so 05H plus 02H. So after execution of this instruction, 07H is load to the accumulator. Next instruction, ADI 05H. Okay, so this instruction AD represent the arithmetic function, addition function. So I represent for immediate data pass in the instruction itself. The 05H is the immediate data. Okay, just adding the accumulator content plus the immediate data 05H. Type of addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. Then byte of instruction 2 byte instruction. Okay, the function of this instruction, so A gives A plus immediate data. Okay, so whatever immediate data present in the instruction, that value just add to the accumulator content. Okay, so let us consider the accumulator value 03, the immediate value 05H. Just adding these two value, we can get 0H, 08H. Okay, so this value is stored to accumulator. Okay, so it's adding the immediate content with accumulator register. Next one, ADC B. So add the two register content with carry value. You consider the carry value. Before instruction, we don't consider the carry value, only considering the register or memory or immediate data. But in this instruction, you can consider the carry value also, just adding the two register content plus carry value. Okay. The type of addressing mode, register addressing mode, byte of instruction, 1 byte instruction. Okay. The function of this instruction can get the A value and B register value, then carry value. Okay. Let us consider the value of the register 02, 05. Now I consider the carry value also 1. Okay. Just adding the 3 values. 2 plus 5 plus 1. So you can get the final result 08H. Okay. So this value is passed to the accumulator. Okay. Next one, ADCM. Just adding the content from accumulator on memory location plus carry value. So in this instruction also you consider the carry. The type of addressing move, register indirect, because here using memory location. So next one, byte of instruction, 1 byte instruction. The function of this instruction, A value gives whatever value present in accumulator, then you consider the memory location. So memory location is HL pair register plus carry value. Okay. So A value 02, HL pair. So it holds the memory location 4300. So in this location 04H is a 8-bit data and carry value 1. Okay. Just adding the 3 values, you can get 07H. So this value is stored to accumulator. Okay. The next instruction, ACI08H. Okay. So in this instruction, adding the accumulator content with the immediate data 08H. Here also you consider the carry. So carry bit. Type of addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, byte of instruction 2 byte, because one opcode and one operand present. So 1 plus 1, 2 byte instruction. The function of this instruction, A gives A plus immediate data plus carry. Okay. Let us consider the value of A register 02, the immediate data here passing in the instruction itself 08H and carry value 1. Okay. So just to add the content 02 plus 8 plus 1. So totally 11. So 11 represent for 0B. Okay. So this 0B value is transferred to the accumulator. Next one, SUBB. Okay. So in this instruction, subtracting the two register content. Okay. From A register to B register. Whatever value present in A register, that value is subtract to B register. Type of addressing mode, register addressing mode, byte of instruction, it's 1 byte, because no data present in the instruction itself. The functions of this instruction, A gives A minus B. So whatever value present in accumulator register, that value subtract with B register. Okay. Now the A register value, let us consider 04, B register value 02. So after execution of this instruction, just you can find the difference between the two registers. Okay, 0 2. So A minus B after getting 0 2. So this value is load to the accumulator register. Next one, SUBM. So here also performing the same subtraction function, but instead of B register you can use the memory location. Okay, the type of addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode. Byte of instruction, 1 byte instruction. Okay, functions of instruction, A minus HL. So whatever value present in the HL, so the content is subtract to B register. Okay, the HL register hold the memory location 4500. So this location is specified on 8-bit data. So the data is 0 to H, accumulator value 05H. Just subtracting from accumulator content to HL pair value. Okay. The difference is 03H. So this value is load to the accumulator. Next, ninth one, SUI07H. Okay. So in this instruction you can use the immediate data. Okay. So in the instruction itself you can pass the immediate data. Just subtracting the accumulator content on 07, the immediate data. Type of addressing mode, immediate addressing mode. Byte of instruction, 2 byte. The functions of this instruction, so A value minus immediate data. Okay, so let us consider the A value is 08H, the immediate value 07H. Just subtracting the 2 value, you can get the result 01H. So this value is load to the accumulator register. Next, 10th one, SBBC. Okay, so SBB for subtract with borrow. Okay, so here you just subtracting the A register content and C register content. Then you consider the borrow value also. The type of addressing mode, register addressing mode. Byte of instruction, 1 byte. Functions of this instruction, A value minus C register minus borrow. Okay, so borrow is a carry. So here the accumulator value 08, C register value 04, then carry value you consider 01. Okay, just you subtracting the 3 content. Okay, 08 minus 04 minus 01. The final result is 03H. It's a positive value. So this value load to accumulator. Next instruction, SBBM. Okay, so subtract with borrow. So accumulator content, then the memory content. So type of addressing mode, register indirect, because here using the memory location. The byte of instruction is 1 byte instruction. Okay, the functions of instruction, A minus HL minus borrow. Okay, so just subtracting the 3 values, accumulator content and memory content, then borrow. So accumulator whole 09H. So HL pair containing on memory location. So this memory location have some 8-bit data, 03H. I consider the borrow value also 1. Okay, so just subtracting the 3 content. So 09 minus 03 minus 1. So finally you can get the 05 H. So this value is load to the accumulator. So next one, the 12th instruction, SBI 08 H. Okay, so in this instruction also you consider the borrow value, and in the instruction itself you can pass the 8-bit immediate data. Okay, the type of addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, byte of instruction 2 byte. The functions of instruction, A gives A immediate data minus borrow value. Okay, the accumulator value 08 H, 09 H, and immediate data 08 H. Here I consider the borrow value is 0. Okay, just subtracting the three values, 09 minus 08 minus 0. So the difference is 01. So this 01 H value is stored to accumulator. Next instruction, INC. Okay, so increment the C register content. Type of addressing mode, register addressing mode, byte of instruction 1 byte. Okay, so C register gives C plus 1. Okay, so after execution of this instruction, just increment the C register content. So before execution, C register content is 03 H. So after execution of this instruction, just increment the value. So now C register value is 04 H. So next one, INRM. So increment the memory content. Okay, so in that memory, the content of the address location is stored in the memory location. So in this, content is incremented by 1. Type of addressing mode, register indirect, because the content is hide in the memory location. So byte of instruction 1 byte instruction. Okay, so memory is represent the HL pair register. The HL pair register value is increment by 1. Okay, so before execution, HL pair, the content is 03 H. So after execution of this instruction, HL pair value is increment by 1, 04 H. Next one, decrement B. Okay, so in this instruction, decrement the content the specified register. Type of addressing mode, register addressing mode, byte of instruction 1 byte instruction. Okay, the instruction function, so B register minus 1. So whatever value hold in the B register, that value is subtract by 1. So before execution of this instruction, B register hold 03 H. So after execution of this instruction, just decrement the value by 1. So now B register value is 02 H. Next one, DCRM. So whatever value the content is present in the HL pair register, that content is decrement by 1. Type of addressing mode, register indirect and 1 byte instruction. Okay, the functions, HL pair value is decrement by 1. Okay, so before execution, HL pair value 08 H. So after execution, HL pair value 07 H. Next one, DAD. So DAD for double addition. Okay, so in this microcontroller performing the 8-bit addition function and also 16-bit addition function. If you want to performing the 16-bit addition function, you can use the DAD function, double addition. Okay, the type of addressing mode, register addressing mode, byte of instruction 1 byte. Okay, so in the instruction represent DAD B. Okay, so double addition B. So this B register considered as a pair register. Okay, so here considering HL pair register, just adding the HL pair register plus BC pair register. Okay, just adding the two pair register content and then the result is stored to HL pair register. Now the value is 0010. So this value is stored in HL pair register. BC pair 0001. Okay, so it's a 16-bit value. It's also 16-bit value. Just adding the two register content 0011. Okay, so this value is stored to the HL pair register. Next, so next instruction, DAA, decimal adjacent accumulator. Okay, so in this instruction is mainly used to find it's a valid BCD number or invalid BCD number. Okay, so in this instruction you can use the two cases. The first case, you check the lower 4-bit value or auxiliary carry. Okay, so lower 4-bit value is greater than 9 or less than 9, or otherwise if any auxiliary carry present in the lower 4-bit. The second case, check higher 4-bit value greater than or less than 9, or if any carry present in the higher bit. Okay, the type of addressing mode, implied addressing mode, and byte of instruction 1 byte instruction. Okay, so here considering one example, so A plus B, just adding the A register and B register. Let us consider A register value 06, B register value 06. Okay, first we are converting the binary number for this both the registers, A and B register. Okay, just adding the two content 0, 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1. So triple 1, you can add the triple 1 value, sum 1 and also carry 1. Okay, so remaining these 4 bits are 0. Okay, so now you check the upper 4-bit value and lower 4-bit value. So the lower 4-bit value is greater than 9 and upper 4-bit value is less than 9. Okay, so you consider the first case, lower 4-bit value is greater than 9, so you can add 6. Okay, so just adding the two values 0, 1, so 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, so 1 plus 1, sum 0, carry 1, so this carry is propagated to the next bit 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now you can get the valid BCD number. Okay, so 112, so 12 is the valid BCD number. This value is stored to the accumulator register. Okay, so far we are discussing the arithmetic group instruction. There are 18 instructions we seen in the session. So tomorrow session we will focus on the logical group instruction. Okay, so thanks for visiting my channel and please subscribe. Thank you.